Sometimes you don't need expensive ingredients to make some delicious food. In this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a very easy and simple breakfast potato recipe, which is going to be budget friendly, delicious, loaded with lots of veggies, and it's going to be super filling. You need lots of vegetables for this recipe, and I've prepped up some potatoes. We have carrots, onion, corn, coriander. If you have some broccoli or cauliflower in your fridge, you can throw into the recipe because it is super customizable. You're going to need some eggs, also cooking oil, ketchup, salt, and black pepper. And the recipe is that simple with very basic ingredients. So we're going to get straight into cooking. And I'm going to start off by shallow frying my potatoes. So I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. This is 4 medium potatoes that I've chopped up into small cubes. As you can see, it's quite small so that it can cook very fast because we're making breakfast. You want to head to school, to work in a matter of minutes, so you don't want to waste too much time in the kitchen. When the oil is ready, I'm going to transfer in my potatoes. Make sure the potatoes are in a single layer. I'm going to pick a spatula. And the cooking time is going to take around 5 to 10 minutes at most. You're going to be flipping once in a while so that the potatoes can brown on all sides. And this is after around 6 minutes, so it's less than 10 minutes. So while the potatoes finish off cooking, I'm going to crack in 5 eggs to a bowl. Add in some salt and black pepper. Whisk back to my potatoes. This is how they're looking. Super gorgeous, crispy. I'm going to add in some salt. Season the potatoes. Flip. Wow. Let's take that out. Transfer to a bowl. Add in a little bit more cooking oil. Transfer in the eggs. Bring the flames to low. Then I'm going to slowly scramble my eggs. Cooking your eggs is going to take around a minute, so don't overcook because you're going to be placing back the eggs into the pan. So once ready, I'm going to place in the same plate with my potatoes. And in the same pan, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of more cooking oil, spread. Then now we are going to be frying our onions or sauteing our onions for around 30 seconds until they're soft. You don't need to brown the onions for this recipe because they won't be looking so good. Use a spatula, stir in the onions, which are thinly sliced. When your onions are ready, add in your corn, carrots, and immediately you add in the corn. It's going to get a very nice, vibrant yellow color. going just to add in a tiny little bit more oil. You have to thinly chop up your carrots so that they can cook super fast. As for the corn, it's going to take around a minute to cook. Once everything is ready, I'm going to add back my potatoes, my eggs into the pan. Also, I decided to add in some Brawn that I had in the fridge, to add in some color, stir in. The potatoes are cooked, the eggs are also cooked, so it's just a matter of combining all the ingredients together, making sure everything is perfectly seasoned. I'm going to add in a touch of salt. Toss. This is a perfect breakfast recipe. Just look at this. Gorgeous. Wow. Once I'm done, I'm going to garnish with a little bit of coriander to add in some more color. Stir in. And after adding in or garnishing with coriander, the aroma is so good. So now I'm ready to serve. Serve your breakfast potatoes in a platter, and you can double, triple the ingredients to make for your entire family, or if you have some guests over. And it's going to be a super delicious breakfast recipe. I'm going to try out my eggs, carrots. Wow. This is a perfect breakfast. I love ketchup, so I'm going to scoop out. Oh yeah, this is the breakfast recipe for you to try out. Bye.